Move your hips to the left, move your hips to the right, take a jump in the front and dip. Move your hips to the left, move your hips to the right, take a jump in the front and dip. Okay. Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. So, we are still here. We're still staying at home, and one of the things that we are at least thinking of doing is cleaning and organizing our homes. So because of that, in today's video, I'll be showing you 5 small spaces you can organize today, so you can at least check it off your to-do list and be done with it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before we continue, make sure you like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. I'm almost at 20,000 subscribers, guys. Woo! So help me get there, guys. Help me get there. So the first small place to organize today are your drawers. Because drawers are usually a confined space, you can just take everything out with ease, go through it, and for all the items that you want to keep, you can place them back in a drawer in an orderly fashion, of course, and then you're done. And of course, by the time you finish that drawer, you're more likely to want to move on to the next drawer. But if not, the great thing is you already have organized that one drawer, and that to me is an accomplishment in itself. So the next small space to organize today is your medicine cabinet. Believe it or not, some people don't know that the medicine cabinet is a perfect storage area for all the items you use on a daily basis in your bathroom, of course. So same thing with the drawers, take everything out, go through all your items, determine which items you want to keep, and for those other ones you get rid of, place them back in an orderly fashion, and you are done with the medicine cabinet. And once your medicine cabinet is complete, it's organized, you now have the perfect place for your items that you need all the time. I love using my medicine cabinet because it's a way to kind of put away all my daily use items, and it hides them, so my counters can stay as bare as possible. The next small space on my list are kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets are a great place to start your organizing journey because for the most part, there's not a lot of items in your kitchen cabinet. Yes, there are some of us that have a lot of items in our kitchen cabinet, but if you were to compare that to a closet, the kitchen cabinet is usually on the smaller scale. So let's assume we're gonna go through your kitchen cabinets that hold your dishware. Same thing as before, you take everything out, figure out what dishware you wanna keep, and then place them back in the kitchen cabinet, of course, in an orderly fashion. I love kitchen cabinets. I love the kitchen. That's what it is. I love the kitchen. Can't wait to get my dream kitchen. So the next small space that you can organize today is your car trunk, of course. Our cars, our vehicles, is an extension of our homes. And a lot of times our trunks usually are neglected. Again, this is the perfect place to start your organizing journey, especially if you are kind of having some difficulties on finding where to start. I definitely would consider your car trunk. As before, get everything out, go through it. In my opinion, the only things that need to be in your trunk is probably your reusable grocery bags, maybe your emergency kit, basically important items that you need to have in your car. So yeah, trunk is perfect for that. All the other items can get out. You don't need clothes in your trunk. You don't, trust me, you don't. And there are various organizing products that will help you organize your trunk to perfection. I have created a video on how to organize your trunk, and I'll put it here. And also I'll leave my Amazon storefront down below, which will have all the items that you need to organize your trunk and other spaces in your home. The last small space on my list to organize are your bags, your purses, your laptop bags, your workout bag, your work bag, whatever type of bag you have. I think this is a very important place to organize because usually we use our bags all the time. And the last thing you want to do is to rummage around in your bag looking for an item. One of the issues that we may find when organizing our bag is that it doesn't have enough storage space or compartments. If that's an issue for you, I would definitely suggest adding some type of bag organizer because a lot of times they do come with compartments, they do come with pockets, which makes it easy for you to organize your items in your bag. So definitely consider that when it comes to organizing it. But other than that, you can always use pouches. You can use Ziploc bags. There's many ways you can organize your bag. And if you want some ideas, definitely check out this video right here. I have an old video where I've organized my purse, and I still keep it organized the ways that you'll see in that video. Now that we're staying home, we might as well create a home that we love, create a home that's clear, that allows us to breathe and relax, and organize it will definitely get it there. So let me know in the comment section below, which small spaces have you already organized? Let me know below. Also, if you're interested in reading more details on how to organize small spaces, definitely check out my website, rescuemyspace.com. I did create a blog post showing you more detailed and in-depth examples on how you can organize your small spaces. All right, so you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.